Hello, APSC Previous Year Question Answer Part C Year 1997 Question number 51 to 76 Paper 1 General Studies হলো আপোনালোকক স্বাগতম। এতিয়া আমি question number 51 চাম। Panchayats now have responsibilities as earmarked by A. The Government of India, B. The State Government, C. The Government of India and State Government, D. The 11th schedule of the Constitution. The answer is B. The State Government. Question number 52. India's 5-year plans provided for A. Capitalist economy, B. Socialist economy, C. Socialist pattern of economy, D. Mixed economy. The correct answer is D. Mixed economy. Question number 53. India's new economic policies laid emphasis on A. Private sector, B. Public sector, C. Joint sector, D. Market-oriented structural adjustment in the economy. The correct answer is D. Market-oriented structural adjustment in the economy. Question number 54. India's share in the global trade is A. More than 5%, B. Less than 3%, C. 0.6%, D. 10%. The correct answer is C. 0.6%. Question number 55. The President can proclaim emergency under A. Article 152, B. Article 252, C. Article 356, D. Article 352. The correct answer is D. Article 352. Question number 56. Which institution is excluded from Panchayati Raj bodies under the Assam Panchayat Act 1994? A. Gaon Sabha, B. Jila Parishad, C. Gaon Panchayat, D. Anchalik Panchayat. The correct answer is A. Gaon Sabha. Question number 57. The parliament is called hung parliament when A. The speaker resigns, B. The parliament is dissolved, C. No political party gains majority in elections, D. The parliament is not in session. The correct answer is C. No political party gains majority in election. Question number 58. The member from Assam in the Constitution Drafting Committee was A. JJM Nichols Roy, B. Muhammad Sadullah, C. Bijoy Chandra Bhagawati, D. Rohini Kumar Chaudhary. The correct answer is B. Muhammad Sadullah. Question number 59. The fundamental right to equality does not guarantee A. Equality before law, B. Equal protection of law, C. Equal pay for equal work, D. Equal opportunities for all. The correct answer is C. Equal pay for equal work. Question number 60. The writ of habeas corpus may be issued by the Supreme Court or High Court. A. To protect a person from arrest or detention, B. To free a person from illegal arrest or detention, C. To remand a person from police custody to judicial custody, D. To order an early trial of an accused person. The correct answer is B. To free a person from illegal arrest or detention. Question number 61. After which plan there was the plan of holiday? A. First plan, B. Third plan, C. Fifth plan, D. Sixth plan. The correct answer is D. Fifth plan. Question number 62. Which is the richest state in minerals? A. MP, B. Bihar, C. Odisha, D. Tamil Nadu. The correct answer is B. Bihar. Question number 63. Which category of industries is described as personal milk cow? A. Cottage industries, B. Private sector industries, C. Small scale industries, D. Public sector industries. The correct answer is D. Public sector industries. Question number 64. The total number of persons living below the poverty line to be covered by the targeted public distribution system is A. 32 crores, B. 22 crores, C. 12 crore, D. 40 crore. The correct answer is B. 22 crore. Question number 65. The percentage of domestic savings as envisaged in the draft approach paper to the 9th plan. A. 26.2, B. 20.2, C. 15.2, D. 30.2. The correct answer is A. 26.2. Question number 66. As per industrial policy of Assam 1997, the total power available in the state as present is around A. 400 MW, B. 375 MW, C. 315 MW, D. 270 MW. The correct answer is A. 400 MW. Question number 67. The major sector in respect of foreign investment approval in India is A. Telecommunications, B. Fuels, C. Chemicals, D. Metallurgical industries. The correct answer is A. Telecommunication. Question number 68. S. Terepore Committee is about a disinvestment. B. Infrastructure. C. Rupee convertibility. D. Black money. The correct answer is C. Rupee convertibility. Question number 69. Who was the opinion that the separation of Sylhet would not have been possible without the approval of the Premier of the provinces? A. Jawaharlal Nehru. B. Sardar Patel. D. Gandhi. C. Gandhi. D. Mountbatten. The correct answer is B. Sardar Patel. Question number 70. The director of the Salt Satyagraha was A. Aruna Asaf Ali. B. Sarojini Naidu. C. Kamala Devi Chattopadhyaya. D. Rajkumari Amrit Kaur. The correct answer is B. Sarojini Naidu. Question number 70. The first lady unfurled the India tricolor outside India was A. Bikaji Kama. B. Nelly Sengupta. C. Vijayakshmi Pandit. D. Sushila Nayar. The correct answer is A. Bikaji Kama. Question number 72. The Chachi Regiment, an all-women regiment, was formed by A. Netaji Bose. B. Tanzia Top. C. Tipu Sultan. D. Rani Gaidinliu. The correct answer is A. Netaji Bose. Question number 73. The Indian National Congress adopted the resolution on complete independence or Puma Swaraj under the presidency of A. Mahatma Gandhi. B. Jawaharlal Nehru. C. Annie Besant. D. Bal Gangadhar Tilak. The correct answer is B. Jawaharlal Nehru. Question number 75. Who was the first woman president of the Indian National Congress? A. Indira Gandhi. B. Vijaya Lakshmi Pandit. C. Annie Besant. D. Sarojini Naidu. The correct answer is C. Annie Besant. Question number 75. English education was introduced in India by A. Lord Curzon. B. Jawaharlal Nehru. C. Lord Macaulay. D. Lord Dalhousie. The correct answer is C. Lord Macaulay. Question number 76. One of the prominent leaders of the extremist nationalism was A. B.G. Tilak. B. Dadabhai Naoroji. C. G.K. Gokhale. D. Motilal Nehru. The correct answer is A. B.G. Tilak. Thank you for watching my video.